Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to edit your photos. In this video, I will be showing you the basics of photo editing and how you can make your photos look their best. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced photographer, editing your photos is an important step in the creative process. Step 1. Choose the right software. The first step in editing your photos is to choose the right software. There are many photo editing software options available, such as Adobe Lightroom, Photoshop, and free software like GIMP. Choose a software that works well for you and your needs. Step 2. Import your photos. Once you have chosen your software, the next step is to import your photos. Make sure your photos are organized in folders to keep your workflow efficient. Step 3. Adjust the basic settings. Start by adjusting the basic settings such as exposure, contrast, brightness, and saturation. These adjustments will help balance the overall look of your photo. Step 4. Fix any flaws. Use the software's tools to fix any flaws in the photo, such as removing blemishes, correcting red eye, and removing unwanted objects. Step 5. Experiment with creative adjustments. Experiment with creative adjustments such as selective color, black and white, and split toning. These adjustments can help you create a unique and personalized look for your photos. Step 6. Sharpen and add clarity. Use the sharpening and clarity tools to bring out details and make your photos look sharper. Be careful not to over-sharpen your photos, as this can lead to artifacts and noise. Step 7. Export and share. When you're happy with the edits, export your photo and share it with others. You can share your photos on social media, email them to friends, or print them out to display in your home. Conclusion. These are the basics of photo editing and how you can make your photos look their best. Remember, editing is a personal and creative process, so don't be afraid to experiment and find your own unique style. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to edit your photos. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this one.